Guys, this is gonna be oh crap, sorry about that. Hey guys, this is gonna be a short video. My pups are trying to sleep up to be pretty quiet. Shh. So this is me. Like I told you, I'm not gonna have a lot of time to record videos. Doing as much as I can. Sorry if it's not what you wanted, but let's get to it. Pretty addicting game when you're kind of bored. Just want something to do. By the way, I may be playing more games than just this one. I might play this like 5 times. Oh, the note was short, but that's all we're playing with that game. Don't worry, we got more. Gonna be playing, don't worry, I'm not playing all the horror games. Playing Rush. Wait, this is also a fun game, y'all should get it. Yeah. These are all free games, by the way. FREE. So the goal is to try not to hit the obstacles. I'm terrible at this game, as you can see, but at least I have fun. I like this game better than the stack game I played. I'm a fucking... I am a fuzzing retard. Fudge. So yeah. Dang it. Fudging retard. Jesus. So yeah, that is this game. Pretty fun. I might do longer videos on these games one day, but for now I'm doing it as long as I can. Yeah, so that's that game. Pretty fun game, go download it. None of the 3 I've played, so you know what, let's play this one. This game is not my favorite. I can't really figure it out. Don't know how to get to it. It's really pretty fun game at all, but it's my least favorite out of the 4 I'm gonna be playing. So yeah, this video is not gonna be as short as I thought. I suck at this game. It's because of the controls, though. Really don't like the controls. That's why I don't like the game. It'd be fun if it was a tilt. If you could tilt turn. For me, this would be so fun. If you hear snoring, that is my dog. Hope I'm not being too quiet for this video, so we really don't have to make a new one. And yeah. Died, and it's time for me to play the last and final game. This one is probably my favorite out of all the games I've showcased today. Let's get to it. I always like to try to hit through, but nope, I messed up. Sometimes you can hit through those and hit these. You start off with like 25 or something, and your goal is to hit the triangles, and you get more balls because you're gonna have to use these balls to hit obstacles that are gonna try to kill you. You're probably like, that's not fun, like this right here. Miss that triangle. You want to always try not to use a ball unless you need it, or unless you're using it to get some more triangles. I missed both of those triangles. That's bad. This video is probably going to be about 11 minutes. If even, I think it's just going to be 10. How long has I been recording? 8. It's probably going to be 11. Yeah, every time you run into something without hitting it, you lose 10 balls. You lose once you get to 0 balls. This one's always hard because it's like, this video's gone longer than I thought. So, bye guys, I'll see y'all in the next